welcome to the next another episode of Medicos Update. We are trying to make you up to date with latest medical news and journal from around the world. And without further ado, let's move on to the today's update. Here we have reached up to episode 22. An oncologist underestimates patients' use of complementary treatment. About two-thirds of oncologists and patients agreed that complementary and lifestyle approaches contributed to improved quality of life and well-being. However, these viewpoints differ significantly when it came to survival and treatment outcomes. Only 36% of oncologists believe that these therapies improve survival and treatment outcomes compared to 60% of patients. And CDC to discuss post-vaccine myocarditis in teens and young adults. The CDC has received 226 reports of myocarditis in people who are under age 30 and have received the Pfizer or Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. Keeping the side effects in mind, the CDC still recommends that everyone ages 12 and older receive a COVID-19 vaccine. Anyone who feels chest pain, shortness of breath, or a rapid heartbeat within a week of receiving a vaccine should seek medical attention. And Simpleware ScanIP Medical receives FDA clearance for 3D medical printing. With a clearance, the software can be used as part of end-to-end DICOM to 3D printing workflows for diagnostic decision making. Simpleware ScanIP Medical is intended for use as a software interface and image segmentation system for the transfer of medical imaging information to an output file. It is also intended as preoperative software for diagnostic and surgical planning. And COVID-19 may never go away, but practical herd immunity is within reach. When people say that we won't reach herd immunity to COVID-19, they are usually referring to an ideal of full population immunity, when so many people are immune that most of the time there is no community transmission. With full herd immunity, most people will never be exposed to the virus. Even those who are not vaccinated are protected because an infection is so unlikely to reach them. A Novavax large study finds COVID-19 shot about 90% effective. Vaccine maker Novavax said its COVID-19 shot was highly effective against the disease and also protected against variants in a large study in the US and Mexico, potentially offering the old yet another weapon against the virus at a time when developing countries are desperate for doses. Here is references of today's update, and thank you for your time.